This is Christopher, your South Florida yacht expert. So the next type of marine propulsion system we're going to move to is stern drives, also known as inboard, outboard, or IOs. And stern drives were originally designed initially by a company called Volvo Penta, and they were designed because at the time, outboard engines were limited to about 100 to 120 horsepower. So you couldn't get the power that a big V8 truck or car engine would provide. But people like the performance of that drive system where the propeller rotates. And of course, people wanted and still want that clean look of not having a big outboard engine or multiple engines on the back of their boat. Stern drives, IOs, inboard, outboards, today are produced by MerCruiser and Volvo Penta. And it is trying to do too much, in my opinion. You're converting a truck or car engine. Volvo Penta offers gasoline and diesel. MerCruiser strictly offers gasoline engines. But you're mating a truck or car engine through a large hole in the back of your boat where that lower unit, as they call it, the stern drive unit, connects. And the mechanical complexity, that big hole in the back of your boat, and many other reasons, engineering, have resulted in what I would say is the least reliable marine propulsion system possible, especially in saltwater, but they're not that great in freshwater either. And stern drives are the one marine propulsion system I will never recommend. In fact, I will not even sell a stern drive powered boat because I know my client is going to be unhappy with that marine propulsion system. So stern drives, I hate to say it, they're just not an option in today's market, in my opinion.